Hello guys, today we learn how to convert low quality to HD image. So don't wasting your time, start the video. Learn step by step. Step 1. Drag a photo that you convert into HD. Go to menu bar and import an image. Add the image. Step 2. I convert image low quality to HD. Go to adjustment bar. Increase or decrease all color by sequence. All color make your image so beautiful. If you follow these steps, you can make professional editing. After that, go to basic bar. And now decrease temperature and increase saturation. And then scroll down. And also edit image from here. These tools make your image more HD. And then scroll down. To clear your image, follow these steps. Now see the result.